That was not going to be a burp. Burp. Barp. It's going to be a barf. Barp. It's going to be a barf. Pretty good. Kind of tastes like a hot dog. Being out in this heat without AC, it was like 95 yesterday. It's gonna be 97, I think maybe today, and like between 97 and 100 for like a couple of days. Being out in this heat without AC, I think like there's just an extra energy you have to give to the sun. Just being on out all day and like you not being able to really shield yourself beside shade. When that sun goes down, I'm ready for bed. It just kind of knocks you out. I think I went to bed at like 8:30 yesterday or like 9. But I have stuff I want to do. I still didn't finish or whatever. Like whether it's certain types of content or certain stuff on the channel. And I don't get to do it usually once that sun goes down. Go right to sleep. And I slept for, I don't know. I woke up at like 3, so I went to bed at like 9, and then I did some work for a couple hours, and I went back to sleep. So try to utilize that time when the sun goes down to sleep, because you can't really get comfortable when it's that hot. So, I did some work for a couple hours, and I went back to bed and utilized the time before the sun went up. You're going to be able to build up your endurance by actually doing, some more physical exercise. Try to save days for that. If I'm going to be doing laundry, if I'm going to be doing other stuff, to limit how often I have to wash up. So, it's all a game. I don't know. As long as I get some stuff done every day, I'm happy.